Welcome to this Wood Solutions Campus presentation on the general production process for sawn timber boards. The most common way to recover valuable products from a log is to saw it into boards. Sawn timber boards are the most widely available and used timber products. Milled from hardwood and softwood logs, they are used extensively in structural and architectural applications. They are also available in a wide range of species and sizes. Sawn timber products are cut from the log in a sawmill. There is an enormous diversity in the size, type and productivity of sawmills in Australia. The largest mills produce up to 1 million cubic metres of log annually, while a small mill may only process 1 or 2,000. For most mills, the primary output is seasoned hardwood and softwood boards. These are produced for appearance and structural applications in buildings and other structures. The main production stages for milling boards is similar for hardwood and softwood. However, the equipment suite and management approaches used for each species group and each stage in the process can be very different. The main stages are log handling, green milling, drying, dry milling, grading, and handling and storage. The first stage is log handling. Logs from harvest sites are collected into the log yard at the sawmill and stored. They are then prepared for processing by size and by grade. Logs are then sawn into boards to particular cutting patterns. These vary with the species and the target product group. The equipment used to mill the logs into boards can range from very high-speed bandsaws to large circular saws with the logs on a carriage, to a single operator bench focused on maximising recovery. Once cut, similar sizes and types of boards are arranged in racks. They are then dried in the air and in timber drying kilns. This is to bring the wood's moisture content down to a level suitable for its final intended application. The final stage for drying most material is in a kiln.
This is Western red cedar in its sawn form. You'll notice here that the pack of timber has binders between each row. They're placed there before it goes into the kiln to enable airflow between the boards while it's inside the kiln to dry, so that the moisture can escape from the boards. That's why the sticks are placed between the rows. So this is Western red cedar from Canada. It's dry now and it's waiting to go through a moulder and to be turned into a square dress product.
Once the timber is dry, the racks of timber are broken down and the boards are graded. Dry milled boards are graded for their intended purpose. Softwood boards are almost always machine graded. This is then followed by an additional visual check. Almost all hardwood boards are visually graded. A trained grader examines each side of the board and assigns a structural or appearance grade to it. Once graded, boards may be milled or docked further into a final product and then packed. Dry, milled and graded, the boards are then ready for use in a structure or an appearance application. They are then assembled, packed and stored ready for distribution to the hardware store or to other distributors. In summary, the most common way to recover valuable products from logs is by sawing them into boards. Sawn timber boards are the most widely available and used timber products. They're available in a broad range of species and sizes for structural and appearance applications. Many different sizes and types of sawmill produce timber boards. However, the production stages for milling hardwood and softwood are similar and include log handling, green milling, drying, dry milling, grading, and packing, storage and distribution.